bad and bougie. Bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bougie. Bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless.
Hey cupcakes! Hi, I'm happy to be back consistently. It is exactly the second week of the new and improved Loud Little Lady. I wanted to come to you and say, first off, we made it past that Friday. So are we gonna make it anymore? Because this shit is crazy. I don't want to talk about a bunch of political stuff, but we see that all day on our timeline, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I just want to come to you and talk to you about something else that might be affecting you. Definitely something that affects me. First off, look at my hair. I wanted you all to see it on camera. I'm bad and bougie. And that's what I want to tell y'all about. Ugh, shit. Just want to talk to y'all today about being bad and bougie. No matter what, just coming in, owning it. Owning it, no matter what you do. It's a lot of stuff going on in the world today that's going to make you feel like you're not good enough. To make you feel like you are less than because you are of a particular race or a particular gender. None of that stuff is important because at the end of the day, all that matters is how you feel about you. You should feel 1,000% confident. When anybody say something negative about you, like, you too skinny, I'm like, I'm bad and bougie. I mean, like, not like that. Something. I don't know. But you have to find courage and like self-esteem within yourself. No one else should have the power to make you feel good or bad about yourself. Because no matter what, you bad. That's what's most important. Last year, I talked to you about what it's like to be a cupcake. And the difference between a cupcake, a muffin, and a biscuit. Pretty much a cupcake is anybody who is worthy of being shown off. It's sweet. Everything you could ever possibly want because everybody wants a cupcake. You need it more than noon night. A cupcake just makes you happy. Birthday parties, what do you bring? Cupcake. Pretty much, that's why I call you guys cupcake. Because you are the people who I think are amazing. You have sprinkles, you have great frosting. Don't nobody should tell y'all any different. However, there are some muffins out there. And muffins are pretty much, you know, they cool, but they ain't got no sprinkles. When it comes to dating, that's the one that's the side piece, booty call. That's not the one who get chose out here. And I've already told y'all how to get chose. It's called getting chose. Old video. Anyways, a muffin, they're alright. I mean, think about it. They have something called a brand muffin. Who eating that? I mean, it's a few basic ones out there. Try to come through, you know, with some icing on you. Cupcakes got frosting, not icing. You ain't a cupcake. But finally, it's a biscuit, and biscuits is just, ugh. You should never let anybody call you, make you feel like you a biscuit. A biscuit is just somebody who you know, really don't tell nobody about. Don't want nobody to see. Pretty much, somebody can make your cupcake self feel like a dry, stale biscuit. If you let them. You should own your shit no matter what anybody tells you. I've been told my whole entire life, you skinny, less than 100 pounds, I'm too loud, I'm too little, I ain't no lady, and what you doing here? Watching the loud little lady. Doesn't matter what anybody tells you. Take your negatives and turn them into positives. Say, screw you, son, because guess what? I'm going to do me and I'm still a cupcake. Bye. I really just wanted to dance to Bad and Bougie. And I really just wanted to encourage y'all because it's just so much going on right now. They got women out here feeling like they don't have rights. And there's a lot of people who saying, what rights don't they have? At the end of the day, I'm a black woman. All up until now, and I'm sure for a while, I will be the lowest paid person in America. Where my rights at for equal pay? You are stripping away my rights to make a decision about what to do with my body. And you have no heaven or hell to put me in. I done told y'all about getting between me and my guy. Okay. People from Latino countries, like Mexico, you know, El Salvador, and people from third world countries are coming here to have the American dream and to have an opportunity to better themselves. And when you even start singling out others for things that they can't control, stripping away the power that they have, it's not okay, man. And I just want to encourage everybody, no matter what you look like, no matter who you serve, no matter if you a man or a woman, white, black, yellow, we are all cupcakes, unless you're not a cupcake. We are all worthy of being somebody and having the same rights as somebody else. Like I said, I didn't want to get all political on you, but I just want to encourage those who might feel less than at this moment, no matter what the issue is. You fat, you skinny, you short, you tall, it doesn't matter. Put on you on a leather jacket and be bad and bougie. That's all I have for you today, loud little lady. See you in 2 weeks.